Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and this is a very exciting video because I just received a parcel on my doorstep and you'll never believe what it is. It is a PR from Space NK. Never would have I imagined that I would be receiving a PR from Space NK. So I would like to share everything that I received in this video, so keep on watching. I was not expecting this at all, so I was pleasantly surprised. So let me just share with you. So this is the PR box. I had a tiny bit of a sneak peek because I could not help myself, but I didn't open any of the products, so I'm not sure how everything is looking. So first up we have this, which is the 1999, and I think it's a color pencil, maybe an eyeliner. So it says to apply color to desired area, lips or cheeks, use as a lip liner, lipstick, or blend out for a blush. So it's a multitasking pencil. I never heard of this brand, but I'm interested to see what the color is, so let me just open it. So this is the pencil. It is a brown shade. It actually looks like a lip liner or eyeliner, but apparently you can use it as a lipstick or even as a blush, so that's quite surprising. Let me just swatch it for you guys as well. Okay, it swatches. Okay, so it swatches quite burgundy instead of a brown. So it has a bit of a plum undertone, so you could definitely use it as a blush, especially if you have a deeper complexion. I think this will be beautiful. Next we have the Kosas Airbrow Clear Lifting Treatment Gel with Lamination Effect. I've never tried anything from Kosas before, but I know a lot of people on TikTok love Kosas products, and I'm excited to try this. This is a clear eyebrow gel, and I've never actually tried anything apart from the e.l.f. brow lift and also the Benefit brow gel, so I am quite excited to try this product out, especially because it comes as a wand, so you have the spoolie as well. And the packaging of this looks beautiful. If you can see, it has this sort of holographic effect on it. The PR box actually contains 5 different products and they're all full size. So next we have 2 different Rare Beauty products, and I had my Rare Beauty era. Like last year it was all about Rare Beauty. I had so many of her blushes, but obviously we're trying to move away from Rare Beauty. But anyway, let me just quickly share what I received. We have the Rare Beauty Positive Light Liquid Luminizer Outshine. I remember wanting to buy this highlighter and I just didn't buy it because I couldn't find a right shade for myself, and I have so many liquid highlighters, so now I have one. It is this shade. And let me just open it for you guys as well. Okay. The next Rare Beauty product I received is the Discovery palette. It's the eyeshadow palette in Came to Play. I've seen this palette as well in Space NK in stores before. It has a few of the different sort of shimmery shades, I believe. I'm not too sure. So this is the packaging, and these are the eyeshadows. To be honest, they're not really my shade. I'm more of a neutral girly, but I wouldn't mind experimenting with these colors as well. Okay, so there is 2 shimmery shades and the rest are matte. Actually 2 shimmery shades, so this one and this one is the shimmer shade and the rest are all matte. Comes with a handy dandy mirror. Now the last product I'm actually really excited by because I love a good sunscreen, and I've been wanting to buy the sunscreen for the longest time. It is the Supergoop Glow Screen and it's in the shade, I think, Golden Honey. I love finding a good sunscreen because I hate having that white cast on my skin when applying a sunscreen. If you're a brown skin girly or a darker complexion, then you'll know the struggle. I'm actually excited to see whether this has a white cast. It's supposed to be hydrating and also a glowing sunscreen primer, so that is a benefit, especially when I love putting sunscreen underneath my makeup. A good skin prep that is hydrating is always a plus. It has SPF 30, UVA and UVB. So let me just open this. Always use the La Roche sunscreen. It is one of those sunscreens that does not react with my skin. Usually when I use a sunscreen, it causes a red reaction on my skin, and it also makes my eyes water like crazy, so I'm hoping that this does not do that. I'm going to quickly try it on the back of my hand as well to see whether it has any sort of glitter or shimmer. Okay, so it's a bit of a tinted sunscreen. That's good. Definitely not going to be causing a white cast, that's for sure. Okay, and it doesn't have a smell as well, so that's great. that just disappeared onto my skin, so I have high hopes. And hopefully in London we will get more sunshine. It's not the end of it, because last week was super hot, so I'm hoping for more sunshine next week. And that's it for my Space NK PL haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'd like to thank Space NK for sending me over all these goodies. I cannot wait to try them all. I'm sure I'm gonna love them, and it was a pleasant surprise. Thank you so much. Bye bye guys.